Hello friends, welcome to Best English Classes. मैं हूं प्रतीक तंवर and today we are having a debate, we are having a discussion on this topic that school uniform is good or bad. और आज मेरे साथ हैं मेरे बहुत ही डियर स्टूडेंट नखत दान जो इस डिस्कशन में हमारे साथ रहेंगे. सो ये वीडियो उन सभी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बहुत फायदेमंद है जो कि इस डिबेट में पार्टिसिपेट करने वाले हैं कि स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म इज गुड और बैड. तो स्टार्टिंग से लेके लास्ट तक इसको पूरा सुने और उसके बाद कमेंट बॉक्स में आप और भी हमसे कुछ पूछना चाहे तो आप पूछ सकते हैं. साथ ही डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी आपको कुछ पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे. सो नखत, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
लेट्स स्टार्ट द डिस्कशन. व्हाट इज योर व्यू?
Sure. So I can tell you the 4 points, and we will then talk about these 4 points briefly.
ओके.
First of all, school identity. Okay, when you wear a school uniform, it shows your identity that on which school you belong to, right?
ओके.
And secondly, it avoids the competition. If you don't give a single uniform to the all the students, then students will wear what they want. A poor will not be able to afford a kind of dress which a rich can afford, and then it
हम्म.
will increase the kind of competition which should not be there in a good environment of school, right? And thirdly, it shows the unity, right?
ओके.
When you are into a uniform of a school, it will show the that, and that is not just helpful into the environment of school. When you go into future, when you are into an institution or into a company, that is what the play the biggest role.
हम्म.
And last point is a sense of belonging, right? If you have a uniform, it will expose you to have a sense of belonging. You will have a feeling that you belong to certain place, and which is, I believe, a very important point.
Okay. But Nakhat, don't you think that some students have this view that having a uniform makes them uncomfortable because they don't want to see all the students wearing the same clothes all the time, and it prevents them from individual personality and creativity? Don't you think that they should get a chance to wear what they want so that they can show their personality and creativity with that? As well as other students will also get a chance to improve their personality and looks by seeing some students who wear good clothes and be smart.
Yes, sir, you're absolutely right. For that, we have 1 or 2 days off. For example, into so many private schools, we have on to Wednesday or on to Saturday, we have dressed off, right? So on to these days, you can show your personality skills, or your dressing skills. And to on the second point, we have so many competitions which are organized into schools on to many level, where you can show your fashion skills. But on the other 5 days or 4 to 5 days, you have to have a dressing or a proper uniform, just to show the sense of discipline, and which is, I believe, very important.
And what is your opinion? Like, don't you think that it's very inconvenient for mothers? Like, students have only one or two uniforms, so they have to wash it every single day. If they can wear different clothes, it would be very convenient to mothers.
So I don't think it's a big problem for the mothers. A student can
Okay.
have 3 to 4
And what about if someone is playing in the ground and they lose their shirt or something, like if it tears down, then what will happen? Then they cannot come the next day in at with
Absolutely, sir.
uniform.
For that, yes, you're right. Absolutely. For that, almost every school, you are advised to have 2 to 3 same uniforms, so that if one tears apart, or if one is lost for some reason, you can have the other options as well.
Okay. And what was the fourth point that you said?
I said the sense of belonging.
Mm-hmm.
It shows that you belong to a certain place, and that is a very important point. And these all of 4 points are not just helpful into the school. When you're in school, they also teach you the lifetime lesson, which will help you into your future as well. When you join a private company, these things, for example, identity, unity, and sense of belonging, has to be there
But
into a
but
private institution as
dear,
well.
all the private companies don't have, like, all the big companies, they don't have this rule like you will have to wear a uniform.
So I'm not sure about the,
Hmm.
all the private companies, but as far as my opinion, I mean, I've seen the
Okay.
private companies. They do have a uniform
Okay.
uh, for their
I would
employees.
also like to add one thing that generally it is seen that uniforms are expensive and like because they have blazer and tie and many more things and many schools bound you to buy these uniforms from a particular shops because I'm not saying about all the schools but many schools, so they also have the commission kind of system over there. So don't you think it's a burden for parents?
Yes, sir. Absolutely, you're right. Majority of the population of these students into most of the private schools, they belong to middle class family, and for them it's not easy to afford such costly uniform.
It's a
For
hassle
example,
for
you
them.
mentioned absolutely. So for that, you can I mean have your school uniform from the place where you can get it into some less amount. So that
So I had a good talk with you. It was short and sweet, but
yeah,
I think it would be helpful for students who are going to prepare for this topic for some presentation or a debate in their school.
absolutely.
And I'll see you soon in with some other topic.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, bye.
Bye, sir.